Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you just an update on how far our trades has been going. And I think about some few weeks, if not about 2 weeks ago, I gave some signals, and the signals are just started playing out. All right. Like I always say that I'm actually a swing trader, so whenever I give signals, it might actually not play out immediately. So it might take about some few days, it might take a few weeks, and if possible, it might take a month before you actually start seeing the signal play out, right? So, but nonetheless, whatever signals are given here, the signals are always top notch. So, first of all, I'd like to welcome to this channel. If you're new to this channel, I'd like to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell button, so whenever I upload awesome videos like this and even signal videos, you can actually be part of it. All right. So um with that being said, guys, with that being said, all right, so just an update, a quick update. You see, if you go to the Telegram group, you would see in the Telegram group you'll see what I've actually posted. All right, you will see um the pictures I've posted before. You can see these are the signals I've posted before. All right, you can see these ones. This is USD Swiss. All right, and you will see some other ones. I think this is the okay, New Zealand dollar. All right. So, but I want to actually draw your attention to the USD card. All right, because USD card is actually milking right now. Now let me show you the chart. This was the signal I actually gave then. Okay, let me show you the chart right here. Now this is the USD card. All right, you can see that it started to move. You can see the market started to move. All right. Now let me take you to the daily chart so you can have a proper insight of this. All right. Sorry. Um. Okay. Here you can see this was the chart before, and now you can see that we've actually scaled up. All right. You can see the chart was actually here. You can see then we've scaled up here. All right. So I actually place a trade on the 4 hour time frame, like I always tell you. All right, I get my signal on the daily time frame, then I wait for my confirmation on the 4 hour time frame just to know when to get in actually. So I actually missed the entry around here. Yeah, because I was supposed to place the entry here and place my target here, but since I missed this, I had to just wait for another pullback, which was here. At this point was where I put my pullback, and the market just went poof right here. So so I'm actually in this trade right now. Let me show you guys. Let me just quickly show you guys. All right, you can see. So this is the trade right here. You can see that I placed 2 entries. One already hit my take profit, so I'm waiting for the second one to get to my target. So now you ask me that was my second target, which is the TP2. All right, so my TP2 is just around here. That's 1.3824, 1.3824. All right, so this is my next target, guys. This is my next target. So basically I want the market to touch here before I actually wait for the next move that your USD card wanna do. If it's going to hit this resistance zone and pull back, or it's going to break it, make a retest, then continue to the upside. So I'll be knowing that after I'm done with this particular trade. So though I was supposed to make this trade that I missed here, let's see what else. Even though here I'm getting a ratio 1 to 4. All right, well, if I had actually taken the trade I was supposed to take, which was supposed to be here, let's see what I would have actually had. All right, I would have had a 26 to 1. All right, that's ratio 1 to 26, which means if I put in $100, I'll be making $2,600. Yeah, that's the power of swing trading, guys. So trust me, if you are um, new on this channel, you do yourself a lot of favor to actually subscribe, because I give out a lot of juicy signals that you can't just miss. Trust me. So now, for those who are willing to listen to me, all right, the next thing we are looking at is the next market that we're actually looking at is the Usdjpy. Yeah, if you go to the group here, you will see that Usdjpy. Okay, I don't know if I put any signal for Usdjpy. This is card. Oh, okay. I actually didn't drop any signal here for JPY. Alright. Okay, only Swiss, Canadian dollar, GPG. And which one is this? Okay, this is the Swiss. Which one is this? Okay, this is New Zealand. Alright. Okay, now let's just quickly look into this. Now, if you go to the daily time frame, you can see that the JPG is already ready. It's already moving upwards. Alright. So as for me, I usually don't like to get in on this support here. I always like to see some confirmation, because sometimes the market could actually do as if it wants to push up, but later break it downwards, make a retest, then continue downwards. So what I'm actually waiting for is very simple. I'm waiting for the market to actually, as it touched this, just pushed up. That's UJ I'm talking about now. On the UJ, I'm waiting for the market to break this level a bit, get here, make a retest to this same level right here. Yes, I want the market to break this level, retest it, then I go to my 4-hour time frame, where I put my place my trade actually. Sorry. So you can see here there's a double top. All right, so I'm waiting for the market to break this level, then retest this level again, then that's when I'm going to place my buy. So when I place my buy here, let me just show you what I'm expecting. All right, so this is what I'm expecting, guys. So this will be my stop loss here, just right above this support level, and here's going to be my target, guys. Here's going to be my target. So I'm going to be having a ratio 1 to 4 here. I'm going to be having a ratio 1 to 4. So that's it, guys. Nothing stressful, everything nice and fancy, not everything simple, guys. Don't make the chart difficult for yourself. Don't make it difficult for yourself. So for those of you who are willing to catch this, I need you to watch on the 4-hour time frame. Watch the UJ break this line, make a retest, then you make your entry right here, then you place your stop loss at this level, then you ride the waves till the price touches just about here. Okay, I think here is fine, just about here, 145.19. You can exit, then you wait for what the market to do next. It's going to break here and retest, then continue upwards. We don't know yet, so we'll know that later. Then the next one is your JPG, your GBP USD. All right, you have your GBP USD, which I said is a sell. So I'm also waiting for the same confirmation right here. You can see it's selling already. So I just want to go to my 4-hour time frame and see if I can get some nice downward confirmation. Then I push down. All right. So, but for now, most of my eyes is on the UJ. That's the USD JPY. Let's look at the Australian dollar against the dollar. Okay, I think this guy is also ready to move. You can see there was this huge drop down. All right, and so what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the market to actually drop below this line here. I want the market to drop below this line, make a retest to this line, then my target will be like this. Oh, sorry. So let me just show you my target for the market. All right, so I'm going to have my stop loss somewhere around here, then I'm going to have my target down here. So it's another ratio 1 to 4. All right, so I'm expecting the market to break here, retest before I now make this entry. So this might happen probably next week Monday. All right, so that's that, guys. Just wanted to update you on what's really happening in the market. So if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I upload awesome videos like this and signals for you to trade. And do yourself a favor to also join the Telegram group, yeah, so that even if you miss the video, you won't miss um the what's happening in the Telegram group. You understand, guys? Because I actually post information on both platforms, the videos on YouTube and the signals, the templates of the signals on the WhatsApp, on the Telegram group rather, also. So you can also hit me up on this section here. You can also check the description below for all these links. All right, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Take care and bye for now.